Hey everyone, welcome back to Inner Wellness TV, your ultimate destination for discussions about life, love, and relationships. Today we're talking about a topic that's not only intimate, but also incredibly empowering. Yes, we're exploring the 7 best sex positions for older women that can drive her wild. As we age, our perspectives on intimacy evolve, and so do our physical needs. But here's the thing. Getting older doesn't mean saying goodbye to passion. In fact, it's a golden opportunity to deepen your connection and explore pleasure in exciting new ways. So, grab a comfortable seat and let's dive into these positions designed to enhance comfort, pleasure, and intimacy. Section 1. Why this topic matters. Before we get into the positions, let's set the stage. Aging can bring physical changes, like reduced flexibility, joint issues, or hormonal shifts, but it also brings emotional growth, wisdom, and a deeper appreciation for connection. Intimacy in mature relationships can be just as thrilling, if not more, when you tailor the experience to suit your needs. These positions we'll explore today are designed with that in mind. They prioritize comfort while sparking passion, ensuring you and your partner enjoy every moment together. Section 2. The 7 best positions. Alright, let's get to the fun part. Our list of 7 amazing positions. Remember, each of these can be adjusted based on your comfort level and flexibility. Let's start. Position 1. The side-lying spoon. This is the ultimate position for relaxation and intimacy. Both partners lie on their sides, with the woman positioned in front of her partner. It's perfect for moments when you want to feel close without straining your body. Bonus, it's also great for whispering sweet nothings or enjoying slow, sensual movements. Position 2. Seated passion. For this position, you sit face to face on a sturdy chair or couch. She straddles you, allowing for eye contact and emotional connection. This is ideal for older women who appreciate intimacy without putting stress on their knees or back. Plus, it's a fantastic position for long, lingering kisses. Position 3. Pillow support missionary. Sometimes, small adjustments can make all the difference. Place a pillow under her hips during missionary-style intimacy. This slight elevation helps align the bodies for maximum comfort and pleasure, especially if there's any lower back discomfort. Position 4. The lotus pose. This one is all about connection and energy flow. Sit cross-legged and have her sit on your lap, facing you. It encourages slow, deliberate movements and lets you focus on emotional intimacy. It's a position that combines physical pleasure with deep bonding. Position 5. Modified cowgirl. Let her take the lead in this position while keeping things comfortable. Instead of being fully upright, she can lean slightly forward or hold onto a headboard or the back of a couch for support. This variation allows her to control the pace and depth while reducing strain on her knees. Position 6. Standing support. Add a little excitement with a standing position. Use a wall or sturdy furniture for support. She can lean against it while you approach from behind. It's invigorating and keeps things fresh, with the added bonus of making you feel like adventurous teens again. Position 7. The reclining embrace. In this position, she reclines on a couch or bed while you sit or kneel beside her. It's great for exploring a slower, more sensual pace and gives you both the opportunity to focus on touch, eye contact, and emotional connection. Section 3. Making intimacy even better. Now that we've covered these incredible positions, let's talk about how to make your intimate moments even more enjoyable. Focus on communication. Talk about what feels good and what doesn't. Be open and honest. Intimacy thrives on trust. Use lubrication. Natural changes in the body can make this a necessity, so don't shy away from using a good quality lubricant. It enhances comfort and makes everything smoother, literally. Set the mood. Lighting, music, and even a relaxing massage beforehand can create an environment that's conducive to closeness. Take it slow, there's no rush. Enjoy the journey rather than focusing on the destination. Explore each other's bodies with patience and curiosity. Section 4. Tips for older women to embrace intimacy. One thing to remember is that confidence is key. Here are some tips specifically for older women to embrace and celebrate their sexuality. Know your body. Explore what feels good for you, whether alone or with your partner. Stay active. Light exercises like yoga or Pilates can help maintain flexibility and strength, which is useful during intimacy. Embrace your sensuality. Confidence is attractive. Own your desires and express them openly with your partner. Invest in comfort. High-quality bedding, pillows, and even scented candles can make your intimate space more inviting. Intimacy is a vital part of any relationship, and age should never be a barrier to enjoying it. These 7 positions are designed to celebrate your connection, enhance comfort, and rekindle the passion in your relationship. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe to Inner Wellness TV for more empowering discussions. Remember, intimacy isn't just about the physical. It's about connection, communication, and care. See you in the next video.